Big Biz on Big 106.2.
That's right, this is the second hour of Big Biz on Big 106.2. My name is Gaurav. Very, very good afternoon. मैंने आपसे कहा था कि थोड़ी सी देर में हम बात करने वाले हैं मार्केटिंग प्रोफेशनल से अबाउट द डिजिटल ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन. ये सब जो हुआ है इस सब के बारे में बात यहाँ पर होगी. कौन सी स्किल्स हैं जो बहुत ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है आफ्टर द पैंडेमिक और इन द करंट सिचुएशन. सो आई हैव विद मी Anamika, चीफ स्टोरी टेलर फ्रॉम द ब्रांड ट्राइब, a seasoned advertising and marketing professional. Welcome to Big 106.2, Anamika.
Thanks, Gaurav, for having me here.
Thank you so much for coming. And Chief Storyteller.
Yes.
बहुत अच्छा लगा मुझे ये designation. Why Storyteller?
Well, मुझे भी अच्छा लगा. The idea was to connect at a story level. Story means something real, something which connects and engages. So I didn't want to just have an interview and content, but have to have a real connection with my audience. And that's why the chief storyteller.
Okay, that's great. So tell us about the brand tribe, about you and the brand tribe.
Sure.
You are marketing professional, advertising field से आप बहुत सालों से जुड़ी हुई हैं. So tell me about you and the brand tribe both.
Yes, I have been associated with the advertising field for over 14 years now. I have worked with advertising agencies like Saatchi & Saatchi, Lintas, Mudra, and have handled a diverse portfolio of brands. But while I was doing that, I was always thriving on news, buzz, content, information from the community and the fraternity, because you have to stay up to date to deliver the best for your clients. But when I shifted to Bahrain quite a few years back, I felt a little isolation. I was not knowing exactly what's happening in the heart of it all, which is Dubai. And once I started with my digital marketing agency, I worked with a lot of entrepreneurs and startups, and I wanted to create a platform for them to share their story, and not just to share their voice, but also to aid their learning curve on marketing. And that's how the idea of the brand tribe was born.
Okay, and that's why your designation says chief storyteller, because आप brands की stories जो है वो सुनाते हैं या फिर बाहर पहुंचाते हैं. Well, यहाँ पर जो है chief storyteller from the brandtribe.com, Anamika is here. बहुत सारी बातें हम यहाँ पर करने वाले हैं. About this pandemic में जो shift हुआ है, digital transformation के बारे में we'll talk about the 2021 trends as well. For that, stay tuned with me.
The Big Biz on Big 106.2.
Very good afternoon. चल रहा है Big Biz and Gaurav आपके साथ right here on Big 106.2. I've been joined by Anamika, chief storyteller from the Brand Tribe. बात कर रहे थे Brand Tribe के बारे में. Brandtribe.com is a website and it's a digital tabloid, right, Anamika? So Brand Tribe is a digital tabloid. Features what? I want to know that what kind of content you share on Brand Tribe.
Yes, Gaurav, the Brand Tribe is a digital tabloid for marketers, entrepreneurs, and brand custodians for the whole MENA region. We aim to create an ecosystem, a community that aids learning, growing, and collaborating together to become a tribe. And for that, we keep content that is from the field of marketing and advertising. It brings the best of the news, the insights, and the trends, and also inspirational stories from the entrepreneurs. There's a single filter. If it's adding value in your marketing know-how, in your marketing knowledge, then yes, it will be on the Brand Tribe.
So what kind of companies, what kind of brands are already there or you have helped?
So yes, it's a very, very new platform. We launched in August, and we are going to close to 100 articles on our websites. So you can imagine the whole range of content that we have already published. So I would like to talk about two categories that are very, very popular on our website. One is the Periscope, which brings knowledge and adds value in the field of marketing. So whether you are a student who is just venturing into the field of marketing and wants to learn something basic like what is how to go about Pinterest marketing, then yes, it will be there for him. And on the other side, if you are a seasoned marketer and you want to know about content strategy for your campaign planning, then that will also be there. So whichever end of the spectrum you might be, we will have content for that, because you might be at different points in your learning curve in your marketing business. And we need to cater to each one of them.
Okay, that's great. So SMEs or big companies or somebody who's just venturing into the business world,
True.
Right.
So we have connected with entrepreneurs from Egypt, from Lebanon, and Bahrain to bring their story out there, and which is a very popular section called Spotlight. And there we feature coaches, authors, entrepreneurs, and small businesses to share their insights and their journey in the entrepreneur world. And of course their failures too, because failures are part of the learnings.
Yeah.
And we want to share it with the world
Right.
to pick and learn and implement it in their plan.
Absolutely. Is it a subscription based model?
No, the best part is that for the readers, it's a free-to-consume platform. We are not going towards the subscription model. We want to share this knowledge because, end of the day, it's a knowledge lounge that we want to
Right.
do.
And online we can find you at thebrandtribe.com.
Yes,
That's
you
it.
can.
Right.
And also on our all social media handles on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and soon on YouTube also. And definitely LinkedIn for all business professionals. That's the best platform to connect with us.
Great. So you can connect with thebrandtribe.com. हम लोग थोड़ी सी देर में और बात करेंगे about the common trends in the digital space. ये 2021 में जो shift हुआ है ना पूरा का पूरा, जो बहुत सारे लोगों ने समझ लिया है, बहुत सारे लोग अभी भी समझ रहे हैं, तो इस ट्रेंड को किस तरह से आप समझ सकते हैं, कैसे जो है ये टिप्स आपको हेल्प कर सकती हैं. अनामिका will help us. For that, stay tuned.
The Big Biz on Big 106.2.
That's right. You tune into Big 106.2 and गौरव आपके साथ चल रहा है Big Biz. You know, last hour में मैंने बात करी थी skills that predict employee success in a changing world. So world is definitely changing. Pandemic की वजह से, you know, it was happening before, but pandemic की वजह से it happened so fast. ये जो transformation हुआ है ना, वो बहुत जल्दी हो गया है. And the skills that I was talking about, उसमें से एक skill जो add हुई है वो है digital aptitude. Absolutely necessary जब भी आप जो है जा रहे हैं किसी भी जॉब के लिए. एंड इस समय मेरे साथ जो है अनामिका है, चीफ स्टोरी टेलर फ्रॉम thebrandtribe.com to talk about these key marketing trends of 2021. Anamika, what do you have to say about this changing world and the marketing trends of 2021?
Yes, Gaurav, 2020 has been one of its kind, to say it very kindly. But there is a silver lining in everything. And there has been a lot of learning for each one of us to grow in this year. In fact, the Brand Tribe was created during the pandemic.
Okay.
So the way I see, and the only learning that I picked from this year, is to pivot and adapt is the way to go. So people, marketeers who are resilient and flexible to the changes and the technological advancements that's coming their way in 2021 are here for a longer time. And some of the things that we need to be aware of, what's happening in the digital space, that I can tell you. So definitely digital marketing is not a choice. It's not an exception. It's the norm. This is where your consumers are present. Their screens have become their second home.
Correct.
So then we need to use these digital touch points to market and to connect with our audience. But one of the mistakes that people do while doing that is that they think just putting good-looking pictures on social media is digital marketing, and their work is done, and to expect results, then it's not going to happen.
Yeah.
You have to have a sustainable strategy and work with professionals and experts to execute it for you. Be it strategy, ad planning, A/B testing, or using the right metrics to evaluate your process. It has to be done in a structured way for it to work.
And that's where Brand Tribe helps, right?
Definitely. We, other than creating a platform for our entrepreneurs, we also provide consultancy services to help them design their branding and business plans. Second thing that we need to be aware of is omnipresent marketing. You need to be present at different channels or different touch points of the consumers. Gone are the days when you can just have a shop and let it do the talking. But now the offline, the online mode is where you have to connect with audiences.
Right. Can you talk about some common platforms?
Yes, definitely. Like you need to reach out to the consumer through social media, at the same time through email, at the same time through your website. And once these reminders are reinforced, then the brand comes in their consideration set. And that's how you have to have a seamless message in different platforms. Each platform might not work for everybody. So you choose the platforms where your audience is engaging with you, is going to be present. For example, if you want to connect for a job, then LinkedIn is the platform for you to go. But if you want to shop something or look for some recipe, then for shopping, Instagram, then for recipe, YouTube. So different platforms have their context. And that's very important for marketers or even as an individual for you to understand whether you're pitching your content at the right place to the right audience in the style that they understand.
Right. So we spoke about the key marketing trends of 2021. Like in personal branding की जहाँ आपने बात करी है, that individual, as an individual, what can I do? How can I, market myself? इसके बारे में बात करेंगे after this song. Stay tuned for that.
The Big Biz on Big 106.2.
Well, today on the Big Biz, मेरे साथ है अनामिका, चीफ स्टोरी टेलर फ्रॉम द brandtribe.com, एंड हमने बात की मार्केटिंग ट्रेंड्स की ऑफ 2021 अबाउट द ब्रांड ट्राइब एंड ऑल्सो ये जो डिजिटल शिफ्ट जो हुआ है, जो इतना फास्ट ये डिजिटल शिफ्ट हो गया है, किस तरह से उसे हैंडल करना चाहिए. सो वी स्पोक फ्रॉम द कंपनीज पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, लेकिन पर्सनली क्या करना चाहिए, पर्सनल ब्रांडिंग के लिए व्हाट डू आई हैव टू डू, whether I'm starting a career या फिर I already have a business. So what we need to do for the personal branding. I was talking to अनामिका about the business cards. So business cards पहले जो है वो हाथ में दिए जाते थे, अब जो है वो QR कोड में कन्वर्ट हो चुके हैं. Right, अनामिका, you were talking about that, right?
Yes, in fact, I've written a whole article on this.
Oh, okay,
yeah,
great.
You can check it out on the website itself.
Absolutely. Tell me about the personal branding, tips on the personal branding.
Well, do you know that the human attention span online is less than 7 seconds right now? It's even less than that of goldfish. So we need to grab that attention so fast to convey our message.
Yeah.
And the rules for the personal branding are pretty much the same, which will be for the business. You need to identify your own niche, your strength, your uniqueness. What are you good at? So, like for example, a recipe developer or a blogger might be very good at creating recipes which is healthy and easy to make within 20 to 30 minutes. That's his or her niche. You need to create content that's engaging and compelling. And I have 3 parameters to do that. Does it educate your audience? Does it entertain the audience? Or does it motivate your audience? If it's meeting any of these, you are doing good.
Educate, entertain, or motivate?
Motivate, yes.
Okay.
So hopefully I should be doing one of these today in this conversation.
Hopefully we've already done that.
And lastly, which is the most important, you have to stay consistent while doing it. It's a test match. It's not a one day.
Right.
So only the results will start showing over a consistent amount of time.
Because of so many distractions, right?
True.
Because of the distractions, you have to be consistent. You have to be out there every time,
And while we are talking about the personal branding, then the most important thing is to have that connection. It should not be a one-way street where you are talking about your brand. There has to be a conversation with your audience. Help them in some ways, answer their queries, create polls, stories, so that you build a long-term relationship with them.
Right. That's it. Thank you so much for the wonderful session. And I hope motivate, educate और entertain, इन तीनों चीज़ों को हम जो है यहाँ पर कर पाए हों. And thank you so much, Anamika, for coming here. Once again, the brandtribe.com is the website where people can get in touch with you for all their marketing needs, right?
Yes. Thank you so much, Gaurav, for having me over. It was great.
All right. Thank you so much. Bye-bye, Anamika. And यहाँ पर मेरे भी जाने का टाइम आता है because next show का टाइम हो रहा है. That's Eat, Play, Love with Suruchi. For that, stay tuned. Wonderful music lined up आपके लिए right here on Big.